Howdy folks, a file with the HTM file extension is a hypertext markup language file. A hypertext markup language files are standard web page file types on the internet. HTML files are identical to the HTML file, so basically they mean the same thing. So why do we want to talk about HTML files? Well, knowing what an HTML file is will help you understand why when you upload a web document into Edline and you have to put it in a zip file, it'll explain why we have to put it together to make it work correctly. This is the website and this is what it will look like. Now it's still stored locally, it's not out on the web yet, so let me open it. And when you look, you can see that it's stored in my C drive. So I'm going all the way to the top where the address bar usually is. This is what the web page will look like. So it's just kind of a sample of what it would look like once you launch it in a web format. So you see that it's still in my C drive, and your C drive is locally stored on your computer. And it's in my user's account, and it's on the desktop, and this is the folder that it's in. So this is just, like I said, a preview of what it's going to look like. So I want to go out to this file here because this file contains all the stuff that matches with this one. So one more time, let me go back out to this one. And you're going to see different images that go along with this file. You have graphics that go along to create this web page format, which is an HTML file. To get to that, you have to have all of those images and information stored in a folder. So I'm going to open this folder. And you can see that this folder holds all of those images that are used on that HTML or HTM document. Now what this does is it gives the directions, because this is what you see when you go out on the web. This is what you see, but behind the scenes, I'm going to go to View, and I want to show you the source file, because behind the scenes, this is what your HTM markup language looks like. So this is the HTM or HTML language. So all this information here, all this code tells this page what it should be doing. So it communicates to the computer in the computer code of hypertext markup language. So all of this code, and you can see how many lines there are of code, all the way over here, is telling the computer to create this. And when you click on these certain buttons, it's telling it what to do, and that is hypertext markup language. So when you go out to the website, it acts as an interactive web page.